I mean, I'm a delivery.
What is it?
I think it's a boppet or something.
Have you opened it?
I asked what it was.
No.
Yeah, you asked us what was in it.
Yeah, what company? Not what was in it.
Wait, it's made by, I don't know, some toy company.
No, it was the delivery. Not your right.
Whichever company makes boppets. Where do you want to leave it, mate?
Well, it's open now. Does it look like it's going to rain?
Yeah. I think it's going to rain. Where do you want us to leave it, mate?
Well, somewhere that isn't going to get rained on, is there?
It's outside.
Like a bag or something.
I've got one in the car.
Is it?
Where do you want us to leave it, mate?
I tell you what, put it under my bush. Do you see the bush?
Under your bush?
Yeah, it should stay dry under the bush.
I'll leave it under the bush.